Have you ever seen someone who walks into a room and without saying a single word makes everyone fall silent? Their steps are slow, their eyes are steady, their face shows no emotion. People often say, "I don't know why, but there's something different about that person." That something is called an aura. But most people never understand this kind of power because they scatter their energy everywhere, trying to please everyone, explain themselves to everyone, and win everyone's approval. Little by little, they lose themselves. Today, I will teach you the art that Machiavelli described as the dark psychology of power, an art that can make a person so mysterious and so calm that the world naturally begins to respect them. Machiavelli's first lesson was simple. The world is ruled by appearances more than by logic. People believe what they see. Your first weapon is emotional control. When you are angry, smile. When you are afraid, stay calm. When you are happy, remain composed. Because the person who reveals all their emotions gives away their power to others. A Machiavellian person is never predictable. They make people wonder, what is going on inside their mind? And that mystery becomes their greatest weapon. Where there is mystery, there is power. But how do you build an aura? Is there a way to create an energy around yourself that makes people notice you, respect you, and think twice before standing against you? Yes, but the process is not easy. It will not make you fight the world. It will make you fight yourself. The first step is silence. For 3 days, avoid unnecessary conversations. Simply observe. Watch what people say, when they lie, and when they avoid eye contact. Slowly, you will realize that the world runs on energy, not words. Words can lie, but eyes rarely do. And when you begin to watch more than you speak, a different kind of peace starts to grow inside you, a peace that slowly transforms into an aura. Machiavelli once said, "Never show your entire strength. Let them guess. Your mystery is your power." In today's world, people reveal everything, their happiness, their anger, and even their pain. But remember one thing, what is always on display loses its value. If you want people to take you seriously, keep 80% of yourself hidden. Let people wonder what you are thinking. Because the unknown creates fear, and the person who inspires both respect and caution is rarely seen as weak. As you master silence and stillness, both your mind and body begin to change. Your need for approval slowly disappears. You no longer depend on validation from others because true validation comes from inner stability. People stop listening only to your words. They begin to feel your energy, and that energy becomes your aura. Now begins the practice that Machiavelli called the forging of the aura. This is not just a technique, it is a discipline. The day you master your own mind is the day the world loses its power over you. Step 1. Silence. Not for 3 days, for 30. Every morning, spend the first 30 minutes without speaking to anyone. Listen to the wind. Notice the noise inside your own mind. Slowly, you will understand that too many words can be a weakness, while silence can become strength. A person who can remain calm can control almost any situation. Step 2. Detachment. Separate yourself from the things that control you, other people's opinions, praise, social media, and the need for approval. As long as you crave validation, you become a toy in someone else's hands. Machiavelli believed that the person who depends on love may lose the power that comes with being respected. Accept that not everyone will like you. Some people will dislike you. Some will misunderstand you. That is part of the journey. If everyone likes you, it may simply mean that you have never dared to challenge anyone. Step 3. Control your energy. An aura is not built by silence alone. It grows when you control the direction of your emotions. Every time you lose your temper, you throw your energy away. But when you hold that emotion and control it, the energy stays within you like a fire quietly burning beneath the ashes. That hidden fire creates a magnetic presence around you. People are drawn to you, yet they remain careful because they cannot predict what you are thinking. Step 4. Isolation. Now comes the hardest test, being alone. A person who learns to enjoy solitude can never be easily controlled, because in loneliness, you finally meet yourself without a mask. There is no applause, no validation, only you and your own voice. At first, that voice may frighten you, but over time, it becomes your greatest companion. And one day, when you can stand in front of a mirror and look into your own eyes without fear or hesitation, you will know that your aura has been born. You no longer fear other people. Instead, they begin to question themselves when they stand before you. But this path has a price. When you become strong, people may call you cold. When you stay in control, they may call you heartless. Machiavelli would simply smile and say, "Let them think whatever they want. Their opinion is your shadow, not your truth." People who cannot control themselves often fear those who can because they see a kind of stability they do not possess. As you change, the world around you changes too. People will show you their true faces. Some will fear you, some will admire you, some will try to bring you down. But remember, you no longer have to prove anything. The person who has conquered themselves does not need to win every outside battle. People do not just hear your words, they absorb your presence. When you are calm inside, your gestures, your eyes, and your voice all move together. That harmony affects people deeply. The real secret of a Machiavellian aura is not mind control, it is emotional control. The person who can control their own emotions often has a strong influence on the emotions of others. Here is a simple code. Speak less and listen more. Never reveal your whole truth. Understand what people fear. Let your energy arrive before your words. Never rush. Whenever you enter a situation, take one deep breath. Look around slowly. Remember your inner calm. Then say nothing. Simply be present. The world will figure out who carries real strength. You have now reached a place where words are no longer necessary. Your eyes speak. Your walk tells a story. People naturally become more careful around you, as if your calmness is teaching them discipline. That is the true ruthless aura. Not cruelty, but unshakable strength.